Hi, and we welcome you to Hershberger's Miracle Homestead.
Good morning, and this morning has started out bright and early. They said they'd be here between 7 and 7:30, and it's 7 o'clock on the button. If not a few minutes before, they drove in our lane. And so, part of the frosty shingles are off by now, and others are coming off. And the dogs in the back are having a fit. They don't know what's going on, but anyway, we're excited to get this project done.
Well, the day has arrived, a day we were anticipating and dreading. Happy to know the end result would be a roof back in great shape. Dreading the day for our Buddy. Let me tell you about our Buddy. Buddy was brain damaged at birth. He has had epilepsy since he was 16 years old. His health has declined over the years, especially since 2006. He is housebound, doctor appointments are virtual, and the nurse comes to the house for lab work when that needs to be done. He doesn't do well with loud noises and lots of action. But leaving is not an option to get him away from the noise, so we will do our best to assist him to get him through the day. So thankful the roofing company had a large team and they had the job complete in about 8 hours. We also knew family and friends were praying for him, which meant a lot. Overall, Buddy did well. However, it is taking a number of days to recuperate from the effects of all the overhead noise and action. Juliana is running the fence line. Dakota and Jasmine are up here in the corner. Theo, it's a little bit hard to see him, but he is there. And then we have Cassie and Cody. That's actually mother and son. Cassie is retired now, so Cody's hanging out with her. Another thing we did for Buddy, trying to help him through the day, was made cookies for him and the roofing team. And then we bagged up cookies to send home with the roofing team. And now listen to the music coming from the roof. project has come to a close, and now we invite you to stay tuned for the golden thought.
And now, as always, we'll close with a golden thought.
Welcome to the golden thought of this episode. I am Martha, and I'm here with our brother, my twin brother, a very special brother. And with the roof action going on here, that inspired this golden thought to be something about teamwork. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Now there's times when you have to do something alone. So you just bite the bullet and do it. And do the best you can. I went to Google to find this out, and they were sending me down a rabbit trail, and I didn't have time to go down the rabbit trail. But I know one horse can pull a lot. A team of horses can pull 3 and 4 times as much as one horse. And I wish I had those numbers with me. But anyway.
Dorothy found the numbers that I was wishing I had. A Belgian draft horse can pull 8,000 pounds alone. A team together can pull 22,000 pounds. However, take it a step further, and a trained team together can pull 32,000 pounds. And this is a great example of strength of teamwork.
So anyway, I was just inspired by the teamwork that was going on with our roof. And it inspired this golden thought. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. We thank you for joining us. If you've enjoyed this video, we just ask you will like it and share it. And if you've subscribed already, we thank you for that. And if you haven't, why, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. With that, we'll bring this to a close. God bless.